Yo, Stuart, I was wondering if you could help me find something.
Happy to, unless it's hope or a reason to live.
Oh, you make me laugh, sad clown. Anywho, Leonard will be back in a couple days, and I need a welcome home gift for him. As he's been at sea, perhaps something with a nautical theme might be appropriate.
Okay, well, I don't know how much you want to spend, but I do have this pretty cool Aquaman statue.
Aquaman? This isn't a gag gift, Stuart.
Yeah, just as well. It's a pretty rare piece. I'd rather just sell it to a real collector.
I'm a real collector. How rare is it?
Oh, I shouldn't even have mentioned it. How about a Batman squirt gun?
Don't try and trick me into buying something I don't want. Now let's talk Aquaman.
What were they thinking, putting Dr. Octopus's mind in Spider-Man's body?
Well, I've been quite enjoying that. It combines all the superhero fun of Spider-Man with all the body-switching shenanigans of Freaky Friday. Both versions, original and Lohan.
Both versions, original and Lohan? You're an idiot.
Hey, what's your problem?
Sorry, I've been kind of snippy lately. It's probably the stupid diet I'm on.
Why are you on a diet?
Put on a couple pounds. To buy these pants in the men's section.
Well, we've all seen your mom. That butterball turkey was bound to come home to roost.
$1,200, that's my final offer.
All right, Sheldon, you win. I'm sure Leonard is gonna love this.
Oh, right, a present for Leonard. You better throw in that squirt gun.
Yeah, I don't know. This squirt gun, it's pretty rare.
Oh.